on the other side now. Garage sale's all done. And the main, we've taken the main out there where Simon's standing. Say hello Simon. And the water's right beside it. Duck the water out as well. So we'll fit the tap. We're in Deanside, sunny old, well not so sunny today. I was going to say sunny old, it's not. Got inspection today, mate, inspection. No mucking around, boys. Comment down below if you're working today in this weather. Simon. I don't think anyone's working. I mean, yeah, we've got Chippy's next. Yeah, well, Chippy's working next door, so that's all right, young fellas. They usually are at home. They don't usually want to work, young boys. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much because it's going to be a problem with the pipes. We can't backfill the main sewer, the sewer before the inspection. Stormwater no problem, we can backfill that one.